Hello there, swarmers, and thank you for joining us again. If you can, hit that subscribe button and that little bell too. We never want to miss a chance to hang out with you every week. So, the winter of 2020 into 2021 saw unprecedented... Really? That word? Could we not have left that word in 2020? Unprecedented times. Anyway, so I'm sure you recall the power outages, which were caused by unprecedented cold snow and freezing temperatures in Texas. And you might notice that climate skeptics suggest that this disproves global warming once and for all. But, in fact, global warming leading to record low temperatures makes perfect sense. Let's talk about it. First, a warming atmosphere can actually hold more moisture. There is more likely to be evaporation from the Earth's surface, which in turn leads to precipitation. In large part, it is precipitation that regulates life on Earth, and it also has a bearing on local climate. The availability of surface water regulates evaporation and local temperature. Where there is abundant surface water and plant growth, the local evaporation keeps a tighter hold on temperature. But in very hot climates, the temperatures are much higher due to the absence of surface evaporation. When storms occur, there will be more rain and snow, as there is more moisture in the air. Ergo, global warming causes more extreme weather events, like storms, which can in turn lead to more frequent and intense precipitation in all forms. In a study published in Scientific Reports, it was found from climate model simulations that if historical trends continue, then today's precipitation events are likely to nearly double in occurrence for each degree of subsequent global warming. The second factor which explains the extreme Texan cold is the polar vortex. This is a large, low-pressure area of cold air that is located in polar regions. Under normal conditions, the circular flow of air keeps the cold weather concentrated in a specific area, but the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Association found that in today's warming conditions, the Arctic is heating up twice as fast as the rest of the Earth. And as the Earth warms, less snow cover and sea ice exist, which thereby changes the pressure and temperature gradients of regions of the polar vortex. During the winter, the polar vortex frequently becomes less stable and expands, sending cold Arctic air southward over the United States via the jet stream. And this particular polar vortex was particularly weak and wobbly, which means, in addition to the extreme cold, there have been unseasonably warm areas, like within the actual Arctic Circle. In the northeast of the United States, snowstorms are declining in the early and late winter because of warmer temperatures, but there is an increase in heavy snowstorms in midwinter. The National Weather Service reported that on February 17, 2021, that's my birthday by the way, 71.3% of the United States was covered with snow, which is up from 31.2% from January. 61 all-time low records for temperature were broken across the US between February 11th to 16th of 2021. And it isn't just the US. Europe and the UK have also been affected. Greece and Spain experienced their biggest snowfalls in decades, and a late cold snap in April was the coldest since 2003. In the UK, April saw the most number of days of air frost for 60 years, and the coldest average temperature since 1922. And Scotland experienced their coldest winter in 25 years. The frequency of extreme weather events with lots of variability, such as more temperature swings and heavy precipitation events, is set to increase. And there's only one solution to help ensure these freak weather events stay freak: reduce our carbon emissions. And on that note, I hope you're having success in reducing your personal carbon footprint. Make sure you check out our other videos, which focus on the things you can do to make a difference. We are all in this together, swarmers, taking it day by day, step by step. And you being here with us every week is the beginning of something incredibly beautiful. So thank you for joining us, swarmers. As always, take care, stay safe out there, stay sustainable, and we'll see you next time.